hot. Months off and then I come back. Yeah, I'll take another month off and I come back. They be beating my body up, bro. My body's sore. Kind of low. Damn, it cut off. That shit leaking coolant, bruh. So the one of the head bolts up here, last time when I was putting it back together, I guess I screwed that side down too much, and the screw thread punctured through the top of the bolt. So now it leaks coolant. So to counter that, and also I'm still leaking coolant on this side too. Let me show you. That's a lot of coolant though that just came out of that bolt. I'm also leaking coolant right here. I believe it's the gasket. I know, guys, I'm not taking care of my bike. I know. I don't be here as often though around it to, you know, keep it how I want to. But we making do, man. We making do. See, I got a bottle of coolant right here. Let's check the coolant real quick. It's not getting hot. That's good too. I hear people in the trails over there. Look, coolant's still full to the top. I just filled it right before I left, which was like 10-15 minutes ago. It's still full. So that's a good sign. Wow, that looked like 12. That's a Dodge too. Probably the air screw. I did mess with the air screw. I turned it in, which means it's not getting enough air, so I probably need to turn it back up. If there's a will, there is a way. Alright, let's see. Damn. ain't gonna lie, bro. Get you a 125. These bikes are amazing, bro. These bikes are amazing. I ain't gonna lie, I think I might turn this into a little story time video. Let's do it. So I'm gonna do a quick little story time. That's Ariel over there. I was just looking for him. I hear his bike. But this is my 2005 Yz-125. Yes, I said 2005. This bike is 21 years old. I first got this bike back in 2020. I want to say it was like the end of 2021. It was like November 2021. Nah, I'm lying. It was 2020 going into 2021. So that's when I got the bike, November 2020. Went, copped this bike. I got it for, the guy I bought it from, he had it up for 25. I think it was up for 25. And we was able to come to a negotiation, and I got the bike for $22.50, all right? When I first got the bike, I'm not gonna lie, the bike was clapped out. Knowing what I know now, I didn't know then, of course, but like now looking back at it, bike was clapped out, cylinder was bad, carburetor was jacked up. I ain't gonna lie, the only good parts about the bike at the time was it had an FMF pipe. As you can see now, I have a black pipe on it because it ended up blowing a hole in it. I don't even know how that happened, but I ended up getting the black pipe. But it had an FMF pipe. It had good brakes. It still has good brakes in it. That's one of the things I've never had to change on this bike, the brakes. What else? Those were really the only two good things on it. Everything else on the bike, I'm not gonna lie, wasn't really that good. So I'm talking, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking like engine wise and like the performance parts and all that. So went through a lot of trial and error when I first got the bike. Went through hella pistons to this day. Became a two-stroke doctor, but it feels like overnight. And now here we are. Learned how to do everything on this bike. I've learned how to fix the bike. I learned how to wheelie the bike. I literally learned the ins and outs of this bike. It's never given me no major issues per se. Of course, like I said, I've learned how to fix it and keep it maintained in a certain way, because two strokes are actually very simple. Spark, compression, air, gas. If your bike not starting up for whatever reason, it's most likely one of those four things, and a lot of times it'll either just be the spark or the freaking compression, which is your piston. A lot of times it don't even be your air filter to say like, oh, it's not starting up because of my air filter. Like, if your bike getting a little bit of, if your bike is in air like how it is right now, it's gonna start. But you gotta make sure those four components are good, and with that you'll be good. I feel like I'm rambling right now, so let me go right over here and see what Ariel's doing. Woo! It's hot. man. That thing's loud.
It's loud, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I already knew, bro, that the sugar sand hard as fuck.
What?
That's why I was slow behind you.
Bro, I almost fell like 10 times.
I believe it.
Oh, you were behind me?
Yes.
Oh, I thought he was behind me.
There was a point where like I damn near almost crashed and then we like stopped for a second. Yeah, the sugar sand was, it wasn't even moving at one point.
That
Yeah.
shit was sending him everywhere.
I'm like
That's
this.
why I'm in this, bro. I got 250 R if you
Yeah.
somebody knows.
I
Bro?
My old one.
You said what?
He got my old one.
Oh, you did say that. Yeah. Facts.
Got them moving now.
I was just like two.
Yeah, I was just sliding in that sand.
I gotta win it.
Yeah, that shit's a lot of work.
Yeah. I'm gonna be sore tonight for sure. Going like this the whole time. Ooh. I'm gonna get 450 up. I'm gonna get 450.
I wasn't supposed to get muddy one.
The new one, like electric start, everything.
Yeah. But we hit the mud and I'm like,
Was you recording?
I said,
Cause I seen the blue light.
That's how you can do it at that point, bro.
Yeah, I mean, it's already flinging. I was like, I'm gonna fling it more, have fun.
I'm gonna do another one.
Oh, they're by the mud hole.
Who is it?
Andre.
Oh, Andre?
Yeah.
All right.
You going back that way?
Yeah, we go right away.
No, we'll run back that way, bro. Let's see over there. Okay. All right, bro. Let's see. City's in between the pine trees.
I was a bike too.
Bro, what you got?
Seba, come on. Sorry, come on.
Tell me later. Tell me later. It's a what? A 90?
Well, he got a dirt bike and a four-wheeler. What's his dirt bike?
A 90, 90 or 90.
Ah,
And then he got a
TR90.
four-wheeler, which is a what?
A 125 kick
No way.
You know you left it.
I thought I lost
"Fuck it, I'm just
that."
gonna use it. Bro, if you need it back.
Nah, honestly, I had bought some new ones. You can keep them for real. That's crazy. I thought I lost those.
Damn, bro, now I gotta get new seal. I mean, I needed a new seal anyways, but it didn't leak like that.
You think it leaked out a lot?
Huh?
You think it leaked out a lot?
And I don't want to have to rebuild it, bro.
Yeah, facts. That's even more work you have to do.
Hey, I got booty.
You use clots for your pre-mix? I smell it. I use the
Like
same
that
thing,
shit.
yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, he put me on that shit.
For real?
Everybody complimented, bro.
Bro, it smells so good.
It's clots, right?
Yeah,
That shit smells so fucking good,
it
bro.
smells amazing.
Yo, get that.
But
What do you run, the marine stuff at Walmart or what do you
I use clots too.
Hell
use
yeah.
clots
Mhm.
too? Okay. Oh, the red one?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, shit. You seem like you run something else.
I used to use Castro, and one time I blew my pistons. I was like, never again.
Oh, okay.
But they say Klotz is the best two-stroke oil to use.
I'm not gonna lie, I read
Yeah.
that online too. Like he told me about it,
Yeah.
and I read right into it, and they said the same shit.
Yeah.
Bro.
Facts.
You know, Bonzi Garage?
Who?
Bonzi Garage?
Bonzi?
Yeah, the dude who rebuilds
And a baby bottle.
Yeah. Yes, I know who you're talking about. The white guy. Yeah. Okay, okay.
Hey, that's dope, bro. The baby bottle.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Yo, papito.
Going nuts.
This for him, right?
Bro,
And then it might have messed up.
you like it?
Yeah, I
So
love
I think what it was, it had
Some
a lot
shows
of
are the best, bro.
it. Bro,
I swear.
I've had so much fun since I've had it, bro.
Well, you can buy the kit, bro, on eBay.
How fast does this go, though?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. On the street, bro,
Yeah.
with this nigga behind me, I was touching like 70 on his main block.
70?
You could probably have that on your lap.
Jeez. That's how
All
fast
gear
this
six.
goes. This goes about 70.
Yeah. So the thing is, that one, the dude I bought it from, bro, it got work done to it. Like
Mhm.
the heads, ported, bro, from Ken O'Connor Racing.
Okay.
Piston rings. They got the DG all the way back to the exhaust.
Uh-huh.
Do a pull.
Do little shit. I can't remember exactly what he said, but I'm new to it, so.
Yeah.
But this definitely goes, bro.
Nah, that thing moves. That thing moves for sure.
All that bike needs, bro, is a clutch.
For real?
Yeah,
That's
it's
it.
starting to slip.
Yeah?
I don't know if it's maybe because like I was trying to learn on it, bro, and now I'm getting better.
No,
Or
but
maybe
it was already like that.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, because when I rode at my house like the first time, I noticed it.
Is that a crack in the case right there?
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
What is that? Oh, that's just how it is.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you scared me. We got bigger problems.
Nah, this is nice.
I need an engine.
I need an engine.
Need an engine block.
Well, it used to be 5, but
Look at all this.
What about that
dust.
dude that custom makes them?
Who?
Was it Georgie was
Oh, yeah.
promoting it or
Nah, he had got it off a website.
Oh,
All right, man. Nice seeing you again.
see you
Yes,
too,
sir.
bro.
Safety.
Take care, man. Yep.
All right, man. Take it easy.
You said, bro.
Juan? Yes, sir, man. Nice
Take
meeting
care,
you.
man.
Take care. Take it easy. Can I take it for a spin real quick, bro?
Hey, don't fall in love with it.
I can lean this right here? Yeah. Oh,
I do the same.
yeah. Yeah. It's really a baby Banshee. Oh, he don't got no brakes. I'm gonna wheelie this thing. I said, dang, he got no back brakes.
Yeah, bro.
I said, nah, I'm not gonna try it. But I was thinking about
It's
it.
just not like a.
It's not strong, yeah. It's like a little bit.
Yeah, I be having to use the fronts. Bro.
Yeah.
Like both together type shit.
Mm-hmm.
But that one is just a pad. Just change the pad.
Oh yeah, it's.
I think it's just a pad. Wait, is she gone?
No, is it a pad?
Yeah.
Is that it right? Is that? No, that's the caliper on this side. Is that on that side?
Oh, maybe it needs pads.
It's thin.
said,
It's
"Bro,
like
you ain't got
nothing
shit."
there.
Yeah, it needs pads.
Yeah.
I could buy the hose on Amazon.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
those might be like circular. And that's why you can't really see it that much.
Jeez, I ain't gonna lie. That thing nice, bruh.
I love it.
And the throttle is responsive as fuck.
Hell yeah.
That shit hit.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Once you feed it, bro, that bitch you just want to keep feeding it.
Mm-hmm.
My first time riding it,
Mm-hmm.
I bought it at his crib, and then we took it to my crib, and I didn't ride it until like a couple days after that. This nigga pulled up, bro. I jumped on it.
Mm-hmm.
I drove that bitch down the block, bro. Eat the fuck out the gears, bro. I was hyped. That nigga said, bro, I did not
Said,
think
what
he was
the
about to do that.
So where you learn to ride like that? You just been dreaming about it. He's like,
That's really how it be, though.
I'm gonna make it reality.
Bro, when I heard that bitch scream, bro, I was hyped.
Nah, yeah, that thing hit. They call it the baby Banshee for
Yeah,
a
bro.
reason. It really is.
It really is, bro.
Little bitch.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, that bitch slide.
Bro.
I want to do that FMF shit. You was talking about FN.
Bro, that FMF fatty.
What? When I had that pipe on my bike before.
Bro, it'll sound like more canned too, like ding,
Yes.
ding, ding.
Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
I don't know if it's
You
because
gonna make me do it.
I think the material's like not thinner in a sense, but like I think this is like a steel. I mean, the other one's steel too, but like to me, like,
I know what
it's
you
more,
mean.
I don't know how to explain it, bro.
Me either, because mine made a different sound when I had the FMF pipe on it. And when I put that on it, it also didn't hit the same. Like, I don't really know how to explain it.
Yeah.
But the FMF do make a difference, though.
Yeah, it does. But that's not stock, right? Or,
Mm-mm.
No?
It's not. I don't think it is, because the person I bought it from, they said it was like an aftermarket pipe for a two-stroke, so. But it still hits, though. Two-stroke gonna hit regardless. But the little, like you said, the little differences on the, like changing the pipe or doing something to the cylinder, it will make a difference.